What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sweeterman. You feel me? But anyways, yo, today's episode, we're gonna be talking about car finances on deck. You feel me? But yo, if you guys been following up on my channel, you know I've been planning to trade in my 2014 Audi RS5. But anyways, y'all make sure you follow your man's on Instagram, X_Sweeterman and the Sweeterman Show, all one word. You feel me? And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on your post notification. And also remember to put that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. You feel me? But anyways, let's talk about car financing. You guys seen the thumbnail, you guys seen the title. So we're gonna dive right into it, like I said. So anyways, I do own a 2014 Audi RS5, which I put zero down payment when I got it a year and a couple months ago. So let's just say a year and a half ago. So my first car was a 2013 Ford Fusion. So my 2014 Fusion, so my 2013 Ford Fusion, which that was my first car, which I got at the age of 18. Back then, I put $1,000, $1,000 down payment onto that. I didn't really see it makes any difference with the monthly payment of my, you know, and by the way, I didn't even get a co-sign. They wanted me to get a co-signer, but obviously my parents weren't, they didn't trust me with financing, you feel me? So I had to get everything done on my ones, and I didn't, like I said, I didn't get a co-signer. But anyways, so what actually happened was once I walked into the dealership, I pretty much was more focused on the monthly payment, not even the total price of the car, which that's the most important. You want to focus on the total price of the car, and then you move into the monthly payment. You feel me? So pretty much, I'm not an expert in car financing for sure. Like, don't get it twisted. I'm just giving you guys my experience and moving forward what I need to do. Try to learn from my mistakes, and hopefully you guys don't make the same mistakes that I did. You feel me? So anyways, my 2013 Ford Fusion, obvious, I'm still currently paying for the car. I mean, I could just freaking just pay for it and get done with it. But what I'm gonna do is, before I go find or trade in my 2014 Audi RS5, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pay that 2013 Ford Fusion off. So that's gonna give the bank more chances for me to get approved for my newer car, because now I'm not gonna have, like, obviously two car payments. Even though the 2013 Ford Fusion, the amount that's left is like barely nothing. I mean, it could be something for some people, but anyways, that's not the point. So first off, what you need to do, you want to try as much as possible not to put any down payment on the car. That's what I always try not to do, put any down payment on the car, because you putting down payment on the car, depending on how much you put, it wouldn't, you have to put, like, big sum of money for it to really make a difference on the monthly payment. And also the term determines your monthly as well, and the interest rate. Now, the standard interest rate on a used car is 6%, so 5.99 with a good credit. 5.99% interest rate, so 6% interest rate, which that's what I currently have on my 2014 Audi RS5. Yes, definitely it's a lot. 6% is a lot for a car financing. It's definitely a lot. My Ford Fusion was at 4.99 back then when I was 18. And back then, I don't really know how much my credit score was. Now, I do have a credit score of over 700, so I'm about 720, give or take, right now. But here's the thing, I do have a condo. The way I got my 2014 Audi RS5 was that I purchased my condo first, then I believe 10 months later, then I purchased the Audi. You feel me? Like, you see the drift there, all right? Now, if I was to purchase the Audi first and then get the condo, I don't think I would have gotten approved for my condo, because it's a higher amount that I'm gonna be financing. So that's why I got the condo first. Shout out to my financial advisor real quick. Still, she's the real MVP. I ain't gonna lie. She's super dope. But anyways, so yeah, so I purchased my condo first, then I purchased my car. So that kind of helped me. So pretty much, I got approved, and the only thing I just had to prove was pretty much my employment status. once I presented that, then yeah, I got the car, and I put zero down on it. So the car initially, the car was, I believe, 43,000. Yeah, 43,000. So I went through, like, I think three dealerships to get the car. The first one, I did like the car, but I didn't like the customer service. So I went to the second dealership, which I liked the car, liked the customer service. However, the requirement that he needed from me, was I couldn't do it at that point. So I was kind of giving up on purchasing that car. So what I finally did was, the mistake that I didn't negotiate the total price. I kind of gave up on that because I was like, I might not get the car, so I didn't really bother about negotiating the total price. So next time when I'm gonna go be trading in my car in, I'm definitely gonna negotiate the total amount. By you negotiating the total amount, yes, your monthly can be adjusted. So definitely most important part, you want to negotiate the total amount, regardless of if the car is brand new or it's used. There's always room for negotiation. Never let anyone tell you there's no room for negotiation. If they don't have any room for negotiation, just move on. Go to the next dealership. There's plenty of dealerships where you can get the car that you want. And if that's the car that you want, definitely get it at the price that it's, I guess, it's fair. You feel me? So for both parties to win. Even though yes, the dealer has to make their money for sure, but you're not trying to, you know, give so much money out to the dealers, right? So that's that. As for interest rate, it all depends on your credit and stuff. So that, I guess, make sure that you want to check your credit first before even plan to go finance a car, which I always advise anyone to finance a car instead of just paying the total price, depending on how much the car is. Because now, if you finance the car, you can use that amount of money that you have and pretty much invest it somewhere else. And then once your investment, you gain your return for your investment, you can take that money and pay off your car. Like your car is an open loan. You feel me? Make sure it's open terms. So like if it's not open and you're obligated to be paying that same amount monthly, then it makes no sense. So make sure your car is an open loan. Open loan meaning you can put, let's say, extra $50 a month or $100 a month on your monthly payment if you wish to. By you doing that, you pretty much gonna pay the principal way faster and pay less interest. 100% you can do that. But if you don't want to do that, you're comfortable with your monthly payment and you're comfortable with the term, then you just stick to it. For sure, by you sticking to it and paying that monthly, the bank says that yes, you paying your car payment on time and you paying what the monthly on time as well, for sure. So by you doing that, that's increasing your credit score. So I know some people don't like going in debt, but there's good debt and there's bad debt. You feel me? So in this sense, you're pretty much helping your credit. But I'll say 60 months should be like, the maximum term that you want to go. But I'll make another video where um, you can go as much as you can, which I'll explain why in the other video. But for this video, I'm gonna keep it very simple. I'm not gonna overcomplicate nothing, just the basic, so you guys know before you guys going to finance your car. All right. So now let's say you're trading in your car. Like I am gonna be trading in my car. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna go directly to the dealership and say, hey, I'm gonna be trading in my car, because now they can kind of fuck with you with that. When you say you're gonna trade in your car, they can give you a lower value of your car by you stating in the first place that you're gonna be trading your car, and also you want to avoid um, letting them know that you're just interested in the monthly. Obviously, they know you're gonna be paying monthly, but you don't want to initiate that you're gonna be paying monthly until they start. They ask you like how you're gonna be paying. You can just play it off and say, we'll see. It depends on what the amount is. By just playing that off, just that little wording right there, you never give them a definite answer. But obviously, back in your mind, you know you're going to be paying this on a month to month basis. Know the value of your car first before even go to trade it in. So currently, as we're speaking, currently my car is worth about in close to the 30 grand. So that's what I'm anticipating to get when I go trade in the car. So that's gonna be pretty much my down payment on the new car, and whatever the balance is left with the current car, it's just gonna carry on to the new car. So let's say, for example, let's say I have 40 grand left to pay, right? So and my car is valued at 30 grand. So obviously there's 10 grand over. What I can do is either A, I can pay that 10 grand, or B, I just take that 10 grand and move it to the new car. And obviously, the the monthly payment by me moving that 10 grand to the new car is not going to be significantly high. It's not. 10 grand might sound a lot, but it's not. It's really not. It's going to change by probably a couple dollars on the monthly payment, especially if I'm going to be financed the car, if I'm going to be doing that for 60 months. That monthly, it wouldn't change that much. Couple dollars, it doesn't really make a difference, right? So y'all should make sure, watch out for that part. Now, you want to check your credit. Like I mentioned that before, make sure you have a credit with a good credit. So I'll say good credit from probably what, maybe 670 and above. I think you should be good. From 670, you should be good as a good credit. But if you're in the 800, for sure, you have an excellent credit. When I purchased my condo, my credit was, I believe, was about 850, 890, in between those. So I had excellent credit when I purchased my condo. So it didn't really take that much time for me to get approved for my condo. I worked hard for that. So definitely, you guys want to build your credit. That's very important. No matter what, that's the most important. Pay your credit card. Yes, it's good to have a credit card. That shows the bank that you can borrow, they can lend you money and you can pay the money back. So definitely it's good to get a credit card. Just make sure you spend it wisely. The rule of thumb is if you have a credit card, when you use your credit card, you know that you can afford that with your debit card. All right. So by you using your credit card, what I normally do is once I use my credit card, I just take the money from my debit card and then transfer it to my credit card right away. So it's paid off, but I just give myself a credit score right there. Not necessary, but I'm like showing that I can pay my stuff. You feel me? So that's some kind of way that you can boost up your credit, and that's why I was in that 800. After doing all my car, my car, my condo. After I did that, I I did lose some credit for sure. Obviously, I was back in the 600, and I think within couple months, I'll say maybe 6 months, and now I'm back in that 700. If I don't trade in my car and I just leave it the way it is, I'll say in the next 5 months or so, I should be back in that 850 mark if I just leave it the way it is. Oh yeah, definitely. That I definitely believe in that for sure. I work hard to make sure that I maintain a good credit. In this country, you do want to have a good credit. Credit is everything. All right. That's that. Number one, check your credit. Number two, if you're trading in your car, know the value of your car before you go to the dealership. Like, keep that like but like in between. Let's say your car is 30 grand. So that's what you're anticipating to get. So give room I'd give a minimum, and that's how much it should go, right? And then number three, you want to negotiate the total amount, not the monthly. Monthly is gonna come, but you want to negotiate that freaking total amount. That's very important. It's gonna make a big difference. So make sure you negotiate that total amount. Then your monthly is gonna come. Also, interest rate. There's two ways you can go about your interest rate. You can get the interest rate with the dealer. Obviously, it's much easier because they have multiple banks that they can pretty much get the lowest interest rate they can. But obviously, they may have to make the money. Second way to do it is to call your bank and get all the information regarding that specific vehicle. I think your bank can also tell you what the value of that vehicle is. And yeah, they can, I think they can do that. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know down in the comment, like if you guys are any car salesmen watching this video. If you want to share some knowledge, or if you guys know a little bit more knowledge, that's probably going to help me too, definitely, because I'm in the market to trade in my car for sure. And if there's anything that I missed, make sure you leave it down in the comment below. But anyways, yeah, you can go through your bank and then try to get financing directly from your bank. I'm lucky enough that my both of my cars got financed by my bank, so it's not any other bank. The other bank, I don't think I got approved by the other bank, but my bank, I've been with my bank for a long time now, so I got financed by them. Except my condo. Just my two cars, they've been financed by my bank. That's all I got for y'all. So definitely make sure, if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any other questions or anything that I missed, make sure you guys leave it down in the comment below. And if you're in the market shopping for a new car, let me know down in the comment what kind of car you're shopping for. As for me, I have I'm not 100% sure exactly what I'm looking for, but let's just say I'm considering a Nissan GTR. So if there's any Nissan salesperson that's watching this video, yeah, send me a DM still, X_Sweeterman. Alright. That's what I'm shopping for, 2017 though. Nissan GTR. And then beside that, I'm not, if you guys have any other suggestion that you think would be good, let me know down in the comment below. We live in Canada, so Canada weather is like, it's ups and down, right? So definitely I want a car that, in case my other car broke down, I can use this car while I'm getting it fixed, in case my insurance wouldn't cover me for a rental. I hate renting cars. But anyways, yeah. So that's that. So make sure you'll like this video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. If you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, X_Sweeterman and the Sweeterman Show. I do also have another channel which is called Sweeter Talks. That channel is more of entertaining or entertainment. Pretty much I do reaction videos and that. Super lit though. Oh god, it's super lit. I ain't gonna hold you. It's super lit. All I'm gonna say, go check it out for yourself. I do reaction videos. I just uploaded 2 videos. I uploaded one last week and the week before, which I might be uploading another one this upcoming week. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Make sure y'all spend some time with your family. It's very important. You feel me? But without further ado, that's the end. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram again, and leave your comments down below if I missed anything or if you guys want to add anything. Alright? Yalla!